Hello and welcome back to a new video from La Cueva. Today we are here with the Y13 watch. We have made many tutorials about it. For example, how to change the wallpaper, how to connect it to the phone, how to make calls, how to receive calls. All those videos are here for you to see. In this video, we will learn how to reset your smartwatch. We will do a factory reset step by step with the Y13. This means a complete cleaning of the watch. All the data inside will be erased. So let's get it started. This step is very simple. On the Y13, click here, enter the menu, search for an option that says factory reset or reset. Sometimes, depending on your watch, the option is here. Other times, it is in a different place. This is also for people with another watch. Maybe you are watching with a different model. If that is the case, go to settings, and sometimes it is under general, sometimes it is below. In my watch, it is in the bottom. Here it says factory reset. Keep this in mind, okay? This process will erase all the data in your watch. It will delete wallpapers, it will delete step data, it will delete calories burned, it will delete your weight and age, and it is going to delete even contact in the watch. This is very useful if you want to clean all the information. For example, if you want to sell it or if you want to give it to another person. So click on factory reset, click on erase all data, and click on reset. Slide to confirm, and after that the watch will restart from zero. Everything will begin again. As you can see, now we don't have the same wallpaper. That means all the data is gone. Even the settings are erased. And that is for today's video. I hope you like it and I hope it helps you. If it did, please give me a like, comment and share this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.